Hey guys, hey, this is Dave. Hey, I want to thank Comica for sending this out to me. It's kind of like a beginner's vlogger type of setup, and we will do a review on this. And again, I want to thank Comica. So stick around, and we'll check it out. Hello guys, hey, we're out here in the backyard now. Let me show you a little bit of what we have. Got some grapes over there. Over there inside that fenced area, we got some gardening things. Over the wall there is a major street, so it's kind of probably noisy. But anyway, I want to thank Comica again for sending this the Cvm-Vm10-K2. I think it's a good beginner vlog setup because it has the tripod, the phone holder, the shotgun type microphone. So it of course I don't think my smartphone has any stabilization, but it's all right. So anyway, let's get up and walk around. It's pretty bright out here. You can use this for like you can turn the microphone around away from you and toward another person, and you could adjust the brightness there. You could interview or whatever you like to do. So anyway, this is what I'm doing right now, but I just want to reiterate that it's good for a first-time vlogger type of setup, because you get one of them. I have action cams, and some of them are pretty expensive. Let me adjust the light here. There we go. That's pretty good. But those DSLR or DLSR, whatever they are, those things are really expensive. So enjoy this one. You can attach your smartphone on there, or whether it be a iPad or a iPhone or a Android phone like Samsung, Huawei, or those type of phones. And I think you'll enjoy yourself. Go on a vacation, do some vlogs, and interview your friends, your family, or somebody you meet at the beach or something. Nice pretty lady, or whatever you want to do. So anyway, thanks again, Comica, for sending this to me to your request for a review. I think it's worth the money. It's like $65. It's worth the money if you don't have like a big expensive DSLR or whatever they call those phones. I want to show you that green tree there. It's pretty nice. Oh, we got some so anyway, thank you again, Comica. I appreciate it. All right, take care everybody, and I hope you enjoy.